Welcome, English learners. We are so happy to have you with us today. You are listening to English Fluency, the podcast, the place where we help you find your voice. I am Maya.
And I am Liam. Hello, everyone. Maya, today we are talking about a very important topic. It is a little bit serious, but it is very necessary. We are talking about the honest truth.
Yes, Liam. Many students send us messages saying the same thing. Maya, Liam, I study every day. I listen to music, I watch movies, but why is my English not improving?
It is a frustrating feeling. You feel like you're walking, but you are staying in the same place. Today, we're going to tell you the truth about what you are doing wrong and, more importantly, how to fix it.
This episode is perfect for A2 level learners. We will use simple words to explain big problems. But before we dive into the details, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button. It helps us reach more students like you.
Let's talk about the first reason your English might be stuck. I call it the passive trap. Maya, what do most students do when they say they are studying?
Usually, they sit on the sofa and listen to a podcast or watch a movie in English with subtitles. They think, if I just listen, I will learn.
Exactly. Listening is very good for your ears, but it is passive. To improve, you must be active. Think of it like a sport. You cannot learn to play soccer by only watching games on TV. You have to go to the field and kick the ball.
That is a great analogy. If you only listen, your brain is like a sponge that is already full of water. It cannot take in more. The honest truth is you are not speaking enough.
You can listen for 10 hours, but if you don't speak for 10 minutes, your mouth will not learn how to move. To fix this, you must repeat what you hear. When we say a sentence, pause this video and say it out loud. Use your voice. The second reason is a big emotional wall. It is fear.
Oh yes, many students are perfectionists. They want to speak perfect English. If they don't know the perfect grammar or the perfect word, they stay silent.
But here's the truth. Mistakes are the ladder to fluency. You cannot reach the top of the building without stepping on the stairs. Every mistake is a step closer to being better.
I always tell my students it's better to speak bad English today than to stay silent and speak no English at all. If you wait until you are perfect, you will never start.
We will talk about the word conviction in our word tour. You need the conviction to be okay with making a mistake. It's part of the process.
Reason number 3 is about time. Many people are looking for a magic pill. They want to learn English in 7 days or learn while they sleep.
I wish it was that easy. If it were that easy, everyone would speak 10 languages. The honest truth is that English takes consistency.
Many students study for 5 hours on Sunday and then do nothing for the rest of the week. That doesn't work because your brain forgets.
It is much better to study for 15 minutes every single day than for 5 hours once a week. Consistency is your anchor. It keeps you moving even when you are tired or busy.
The final reason we see is translating. Students hear an English word, translate it to their own language, think of an answer, and translate it back to English.
That takes so much time. It makes the conversation feel slow. It makes you feel sluggish and tired when you talk.
To stop this, you need to learn English in context. Don't learn single words, learn phrases. Instead of just learning the word routine, learn the phrase, my daily routine.
When you learn phrases, the sentence is already ready in your head. You don't have to build it like a Lego set. It's already finished.
Let's look at our special vocabulary words for today. We will explain them slowly so you can use them.
1. Improving. Verb. To get better at something. Example, my English is improving every day.
2. Frustrating. Adjective. A feeling of being annoyed because you cannot change something or finish a task.
3. Passive. Adjective. Doing something without active effort. Just watching or listening is passive.
4. Active. Adjective. Doing something with energy and effort. Speaking out loud is active learning.
5. Conviction. Noun. A very strong belief that you can do something.
6. Consistency. Noun. Doing the same thing regularly over a long time.
7. Anchor. Noun. Something that keeps you steady and strong, like a healthy habit.
9. Sluggish. Adjective. Feeling very slow and having no energy.
10. Honest. Adjective. Telling the truth even if it is a little bit difficult to hear.
So, don't be discouraged. If your English is not improving yet, you just need to change your habits today.
Be active. Make mistakes. Be consistent and stop translating. We believe in you. You can do this.
Question for you. Which one of these traps is your biggest problem? Is it fear of making mistakes, or is it a lack of consistency? Tell us in the comments. I'm Maya.
And I am Liam.
Take care of your English and take care of your heart. See you next time.